In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this table mesh by using a mirror modifier. Type G, Z, and 1 to align the mesh's bottom face with the world center. Let's make sure the origin is set to the 3D cursor. S to scale, and S, and Z to scale in the Z axis. In edit mode, press Ctrl R to place a loop cut. Shift Z to wireframe view, and let's remove the third of the faces like this. Time to add a mirror modifier. The mirror modifier is a time saver, because we can only work on one side, and it will mirror on the rest of the mirrored faces. E to extrude. I'll create a simple render scene by using a sky texture. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.